foundations. Okay, we have a different type of foundation, shallow foundation and deep foundation, pile foundation and other things. Foundation is nothing but it's a substructure. It is a transfer to the load from the load to the earth. Okay, you now see introduction. Yes, please.
Designing is a way of problem solving which is different from the older methods, because in the older methods of problem solving we directly give a solution to the problem. But here the people are the actual main judge of the problem. We actually go to the people, contact with them, and actually we understand what the problem actually is, and we can do several experiments to test it what actually people had a problem. We work with several models, and more than people getting the problem, we understand clearly with more like in 4 stages of like we define the problem, we empathize and study about the problem, we teamwork with our creativity, we test many models. Models may fail or it may get better. Whichever models may fail, our team will learn from it, and they will, more than problem solving, our team will get more solutions. Maybe they can use to the other problems too. So design thinking from the foundation, it is a better way of problem solving.
Okay, next.
Historical foundation of decision making. So in the early 20th itself, the decision making was very common, but it also placed in the 1960s and the 1970s. So Herbert Simon and his colleague founded the decision making concept, which includes empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. And this design thinking concept is it supports many fields, and it includes a problem solving skills. So it plays a major role in major companies, so they have used this concept very well. And the IDO company in the 1962, they have used this concept and implemented a many use. Thank you.
Four foundations are empathizing. Empathy is probably the most crucial foundation on design thinking. Where design thinkers experience the behavior and its motivation of the users, and instead of assumption, they interact with the users through interviews, observations, or real world inquiries. Human centered decision making, nature mindset that values the diversity, inclusivity, and respect for the complexity of human experience. It focus on the what organization need to focus and what people needs.
Good. Okay, next.
Design thinking thrives on the idea of collaboration of different people from different background and expertise. This leads to the innovation and new ideas because the principle is based on the collective intelligence from different backgrounds. Because like from a single background, the difficult problems can't be overlooked properly. So the collective intelligence from people of different backgrounds can help.
Yes, good. Next.
The two foundation principles of design thinking. So we have several foundation principles that guide its approach to the inventions and problem solving. These principles influence the mindset required to operate thinking.
So I will be talking about the design thinking process. So basically it's the foundation for innovating some products or creating a new product itself. So the first thing will be the empathize stage. So the design thinkers, they will go to the public or the users, they will ask what's the problem, and from them they will collect their emotions, their story, and their way of saying all of that. They will collect all of that and they will implement this on the second stage, that is the define stage. They will use all of these emotions and all the information they gather from the public, and they will create a problem statement from this. And from this problem statement, we will go to the third stage, that is ideate. So from this problem statement, we will get an idea. So after getting that idea, we will go to the fourth stage, that is
discuss and prototype and sketch the real problem and without taking immediate judgment. So